I have this image. I want to change what is on the screen. I don't want this coding to be on the screen of this laptop. Let's go over to edit and scroll down. Under apps, I'm going to click on mockups and I will create a custom mockup template. It brought up 3 options. The first one was what I was looking for exactly. This one, it gave me a mockup of this cup that is on the screen. And this one, it gave me a mockup of the back of the dress. But I'm going to leave it on the first one and click on confirm. And you see, we have our mockup template ready for adding images to it. So I'm going to click on this, my uploads. I'm going to add an image I want to be on the screen. Let me drop this image and just drag it like so. You see, and if we collapse this, if an editing point I want to still edit this image for that, I'm just going to make sure it's highlighted and go to edit, and I can play around with how this is positioned on the screen. You can do smart crop, you can fit it or fill it. We can also clip the image and you can detach it if you want to. Once you're done, you click on apply changes. If you want a 1-month personalized coaching on how to use Canva, send me a message on Instagram. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.